problem is that a lot of this data is not structured in a way that a lot of investors can potentially understand and get a handle on. So we've tackled this problem that we've called the tickerization issue in the space. And what that means is when information and data flow in that includes things like brands or transactions on different companies, that we're able to map all of those data points eventually to the parent company that owns that brand or product, and then to the public entity, if applicable, that then translates into a ticker symbol. So what this is doing is transforming these data assets into a way where a person on the hedge fund or the investor side can query by ticker and start to understand how the data translates into by ticker, or So we've developed a technology called SymLink, and let me show you a little bit about SymLink. And so I'll just do a simple use case here because I love Oreo cookies and I want to understand who owns Oreo cookies and what is the symbol associated with Oreo cookies. So I'm labeling Oreo as you could do a product or brand. I'm going to type in brand and I'm going to click link to symbol, and it should populate pretty quickly an example of this transformation. So you can see that the data in is Oreo, and then the company that owns it is Mondelēz, and that's a public company. And then you'll see all this market data information related to Mondelēz. So the company symbol, the ISIN exchange code, and actually when the entity started to own Oreo cookies, which was 2012. So all of this is super important information that hedge funds need to know in order to understand a data set that is related to different brands and different products. And so we could do this at scale.